Have you ever looked at an acorn and wondered if it has a secret life? Maybe it's a tiny bank, and those little hats are actually ATMs? Crazy, right? But it's a question that's popped up more often than you'd think. Today, we're diving deep into the absurd, but strangely intriguing question, do acorns have zelle? Building context. Before we get too carried away with the idea of acorn banking, let's talk about what zelle actually is. Zelle is a digital payment service that lets you send and receive money directly from one bank account to another, super fast. It's like having a personal money transfer genie in your pocket. It's simple, convenient, and used by millions of people. But acorns? Acorns are tiny, hard-shelled nuts that grow on oak trees. They're a food source for squirrels, and sometimes they end up as ornaments in people's homes. They're nature's little packages, but they're not exactly known for their financial prowess. The absurdity. So, let's break it down. Acorns are natural objects. Zelle is a digital financial service. It's like asking if a rock can order pizza or if a cloud has a Netflix account. It's a mismatch of epic proportions. There's no way an acorn can have zelle. It doesn't have a phone, a bank account, or even a brain for that matter. Humor and engagement. But let's have some fun with this. Imagine if acorns did have zelle. What would that look like? Maybe squirrels would be running around with acorn-shaped phones, transferring nuts between their burrows. Or, perhaps, a new breed of financial advisor would emerge, specializing in acorn investments. We could create a whole new world of acorn economy. Acorn Z-Bucks, anyone? It's a silly thought, but it's also a great reminder that sometimes the most absurd questions can lead to the most entertaining conversations. Addressing potential misconceptions. Now, I know what you're thinking. Maybe you're wondering if this is a clever disguise for some hidden financial secret. Maybe there's a new scam involving acorns and zelle that I'm about to expose. Let me be clear, there is no such scam. Acorns cannot have zelle. Period. Wrapping up. So, to answer the burning question, do acorns have zelle? The answer is a resounding no. But it's been fun exploring this absurd idea. It's important to remember that while technology is amazing, it has its limits. Zelle is a fantastic tool for sending money, but it's designed for humans, not for the tiny inhabitants of oak trees. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, let's keep our imaginations wild, but our financial decisions grounded in reality.